From online poker to selling your collection of Juice WRLD albums, there are lots of popular get-rich-quick money-making ideas that always pop up. Do they work? Not really. Will you make money doing it? Maybe. But you'd probably make more money from your 9-to-5 job. At least then it's a guaranteed paycheck. The truth is there are real ways to make money online, millions of people are doing it each day. From freelance digital nomads to savvy marketers to rising entrepreneurs, there are plenty of business ideas you can try at home using your laptop and a solid internet connection. Number 1. Start dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the product to your customers on your behalf. Let's start our list off with one of the most popular ways to make money online. According to Google Trends, dropshipping's popularity is rapidly growing, highlighting its viability as a way to make money online. With success stories about how an entrepreneur made thousands of dollars in 8 weeks, or how a store owner made 6 figures selling just one product, there's plenty of proof that dropshipping is a real way to make money online. Number 2. Try print on demand. Print on demand is proving to be a popular option too. Graphic designers are turning to the business model to sell their designs on clothing and other products to monetize their art better. With their unique designs, they can create a consistent and established brand for their business. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping in the sense that you don't need to carry inventory or ship out products to customers yourself. There are 2 slight differences, though. First, you can add branded labels on packages. Second, shipping costs are excessive, making it difficult to create a sustainable business unless you charge higher prices or sell higher quantities. The best way to make money with your print-on-demand business. Free marketing channels. Your best bet would be to promote your products for free on Instagram, Pinterest, or with Instagram influencers who convert their audiences well. Number 3. Make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Throughout the years, its popularity has gone up and down, but it continues to prove to be a stable way to make money online. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you can be an affiliate for nearly any company, from Shopify to Amazon to Uber to FabFitFun. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a living by promoting other brands. If you're a savvy marketer, you can earn a commission from sales by promoting retail products, software, apps, and more. While earning a commission may seem small, keep in mind that you can be an affiliate for several brands and include several affiliate links on a single blog post. If you really want to make money online doing affiliate marketing, your best bet is to focus on content marketing. By building out a blog with several pages of high-quality content, you essentially create an asset you can call your own. Number 4. Start a YouTube channel. If others can make money from YouTube, so can you. The highest paid YouTuber is 7-year-old Ryan, who reviews toys on his YouTube channel, which made him $22 million in 2018. Another high earner is Jeffree Star, who's made more than $18 million on YouTube and has a cosmetics brand that sells about $100 million in products. Your YouTube channel should focus on a single niche so you can build a strong, loyal audience. For example, you can create makeup tutorials, stream video games, review products, teach skills, create prank videos, or anything else you think there'd be an audience for. The secret to making money on YouTube is to create content people want that either educates or entertains. You can use a headline that's witty to entice people to watch, or you can use keywords that are optimized for YouTube search. Once you've reached the 1,000 subscriber milestone, you can officially monetize your channel with YouTube ads. Number 5. Become an influencer. To become an influencer, you need to build a healthy following. The easiest platforms to do that, YouTube and Instagram. Some of the biggest non-celebrity influencers often gain their first taste of exposure on these platforms. You might want to check out how to get more Instagram followers if you want to build a big Instagram audience. To make money as an influencer, you can charge for sponsored posts, speaking gigs, create your own online store and sell products, add affiliate links in your bio, sell your photos, sell ads on your own podcast, get paid as a brand ambassador, create a book, get paid to appear at events, and more.